Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to vocode in Audacity. So let's have a look now. Open Audacity and import the audio tracks. Then go to Tracks, click on Add New and select Stereo Tracks. Now go to Generate, then Noise. Choose the noise type. Click on Generate. Select the audio tracks, then go to Effect. Look for Vocoder, click on it. So we have this box or the default settings. You can use this one or make changes. Keep changing this until you get the desired effect. Okay, play back the mixed tracks to listen to the simulated vocoder. Adjust settings and effects as needed to refine the sound. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.